Namaste. I'm really happy that I have given this opportunity to talk a few words about Narayana Bhattacharya sir and share my experiences I had with him. I have been watching his work since a long time, and the first time I got to interact and meet him was at CaliFest 2018, where I first missed his live demonstration, and in itself it was astonishing. During the festival I got to interact with him for a small amount of time, and that itself gave me a complete perspective about how energetic and passionate he has been, still is, about his calligraphy and body of work. The most amazing thing what I feel about him is he carries a childlike innocence in him, and he always tries to experiment, do something new. Also, I got to know that he gets up early in the morning at 4 and does his calligraphy works just for meditation. That's a wonderful approach that he has. And during all these years, he has not only done an amazing body of work, but also has given opportunities to youngsters, young calligraphers, to guide them and also give them opportunity to exhibit their work in national and international exhibitions. And I was one of the fortunate ones that he has given opportunity to. So I'm very thankful. Another instance where I got to meet him was when he invited me to be amongst the mentor panels at Kachadadappa Calligraphy Festival of Kerala. And it was an amazing experience, and the time I got to spend with him, especially during the breakfast or dinner, is a time when I got to interact with him, know him personally, and I can still view his laughter and how he is very enthusiastic about small things, and how he managed everything with a calm mind, and it was an amazing calligraphy festival. What I really particularly like about him is how he is deeply rooted in his culture, and he depicts it from his work and wants to take it abroad, along with making a community in calligraphy. I'm really happy that I have got opportunity to meet him in person and learn a lot from him. I really wish my best wishes for his journey ahead, and I would again wait for the post that he he posts every day on Facebook, and it's so much to learn from that itself. So thank you so much, sir, for from all the younger generation that you have been inspiring. Thank you so much.